Witchfolk. Welcome to our coven. We are Angels on Broomsticks. We're a mother-daughter duo. I'm Kristen.
And I'm Evangeline, and here on this channel we see makeup as fun, creative, magical, and for everybody. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, definitely think about hitting that subscribe button. So today we've got another palette.
Yes, we've got Nomad's America's Parks. And it looks like this. And she is stunning.
So this is all inspired by America's national parks. So if you've been to any, if you live in the States, you might recognize some of the names.
We had to look some of them up, but this one has been to quite a few.
Yeah, because I did a U.S. road trip once, which was actually one of my most favorite trips I've ever done. I've already done a look with this palette before featuring sort of the greens, because the Hoh Rainforest in Olympic National Park is my favorite place in the world. It's near Forks in Twilight.
In Twilight, yes.
We
got some Twilight other things. Didn't they have a cousin somewhere?
Oh, in Denali. So there's a Mount Denali. And I have swatches on my arm. Here they are, ready for you. They kind of swatch almost like a bit lighter in a way. It's not like a super impactful shimmer, but that's actually can be quite a nice thing. You can get a nice sheerness, iridescence, or build it up, which I did quite easily when I did my look before.
They're very beautiful. I was thinking of doing a look based on the places I've been. Yeah. But I decided no. I'm going to match my hair. So I'm going to do these three. And what do you plan on?
I'm sort of thinking of something like bronzy, browny, because Arches National Park, which is, we have Delicate Arch. This shade here was another one of my favorite places in Moab. So we'll see how orangey I end up going, but like orangey brown earth tones. That's my idea.
Okay. And by the way, Nomad is becoming my favorite company, and I ordered a whole bunch of other palettes.
Ooh, I'm excited.
The older palettes. So excited to get those.
We already have our bases on, as usual, a bit of foundation. That's it. Eyebrows.
So I'm going to dip in the purple shade. It's called South Rim. Where that is.
Oh, we just looked it up. Fuck, we forgot.
Oh, one of them is where, I'll tell you when it is, but where Boyhood ended.
Yeah.
Oh, this goes really well with my hair. I'm using a big fluffy brush from Bristles Beauty, and I'm just gonna define my lack of crease.
I'm going in with Giant Redwoods just to get some warmth through the crease first. What's your favorite, like, you've been in the States?
Yeah, I've been to a few states.
What's your favorite coast or like vibe?
I only like the Atlantic coast. I've been to both coasts, but I'm such an Atlantic queen. I love it. I've been to every state in the Atlantic.
See, that's where I haven't been in the States at all.
Florida's my favorite state.
Really?
So it's such a trashy hang.
Because
I love it.
That's where you love Miami Beach.
I love Miami Beach more than any place in the world. The ocean there is perfection. Petersons love waves. It's got waves and it's warm. We always used to vacation in Cape Cod and it's very wavy there.
Yeah.
We only like when we went to Florida one year, we decided to go on the Gulf side where all the wasps go.
Wasps! I hate wasps.
Not wasps. Where all the white Anglo-Saxon Protestants go. Because they like calm oceans. So they tend to go to Sarasota, Fort Myers.
I was thinking wasps were everywhere.
No. We like the spicy beach.
We don't like wasps that kind either. Or do we? I don't know.
No, we like a wasp. Wasps are fine.
I like the West Coast better.
Why?
I don't know. It's more like mysterious almost.
Yeah, I guess it's like moodier.
Moody, eerie. I always thought I liked to I don't know, beach vacation, but then like being on Washington and the coast there.
Oh yeah, I don't love a mountain. I grew up on a mountain. But I grew up in Quebec, so it was a quick drive to Vermont, like less than an hour. And so from there we'd drive to Cape Cod in the middle of the night. My dad, we'd wake up at midnight and go pile in the car, and my dad would drive all through the night, and we'd get there at 8 o'clock. We'd get to Nickerson State Park.
Wow.
I don't see no Nickerson State Park in this palette. If there was, I'd put it on my eye immediately.
Yeah. So I'm going to start deepening it up with Half Dome. Another gorgeous place in Yosemite.
I'm going to deepen mine up with Half
Dome, the one I just did.
Oh, you took mine. Okay.
Yeah, I took yours.
I don't know. I got a fluffy brush, another fluffy brush, smaller.
I'm bringing it on the outer lower lash line as well.
I'm keeping my top lid, just doing that. Because I might go with something different on the bottom lid. I'm going to decide later. See what this look turns out. I was going to keep it simple.
I really like this formula because of what I said. Like, it can apply kind of light, but it can also just really, really deepen if you want it to.
Yeah, that's true.
But not in a
Sorry.
not in a
I breathe dust.
Okay. Oh my god.
Okay. I'm gonna use a glitter glue.
I forgot what I was saying. Oh, not in like a dusty way. Unless you were just inhaling the shadow. And that's
He was inhaling dust.
Dust. Like a nice plate of dust.
So I just used the Anastasia Von Amway glitter glue. No, it's Too Faced. All this time I thought I was using Anastasia Beverly Hills.
Von Amway. Oh yeah.
I don't know. So I just put 2 little dollops on my back of my hand, and I use my finger for this shimmer that's going to come up. And this is the place, I believe, at the end of Boyhood.
Yeah, this is Big Bend. Because we looked it up. I'm like, that looks like the ending of Boyhood.
I thought it was where Thelma and Louise crashed their car, but it wasn't. I was wrong. But where's this?
Texas.
Oh.
I believe.
So he lived in Texas and he went to school in Texas?
I guess.
Remember that. Anyone see Boyhood?
Love that movie.
It was one of the family favorite.
So I'm still just sort of playing around with giant redwoods and Half Dome just to sort of create depth and dimension with the red and the brown.
This is really pretty. Do you see the shift?
Ooh. You know what that reminds me of a little? On your lid anyway, the Melt. Mary Jane.
Good for Melt.
I'm going to go into Teton Range. I looked this up and I don't remember. Sort of like a bronzy shade. I'm just putting it here. It kind of reminds me actually the shade of the Auric base for one of the Smoke Reflex, Defiance.
That's obscure.
Well, it really does. It's like sort of just a classic bronze.
Okay, I'm going to take a tiny little rougher brush, rougher number 3, and I'm going to go in Mount Denali, which is in Alaska, we determined, right?
I want to go there one day.
Yeah, it's the only time I would ever take a cruise.
To there?
Yeah, they say those are good cruises.
Okay, now I'm taking Delicate Arch, which is more like a pinky, brighter bronze, and I'm going to try and just really brighten up the look. This is the shade that I'm hoping to like make pop the most.
I'm using the purple shade South Rim on the lower lash. I'm not going to go crazy with lower lash activity. Anyway, do you think that there's a place in this palette where Thelma and Louise crashed their car? Nomad, could you tell us? The Grand Canyon takes up more than one state.
Oh.
Am I right?
Utah?
I don't know.
Arizona?
New Mexico?
I didn't go as south as Arizona when I was there.
We're from Canada. We don't know. You don't know. Americans, you watch us. You don't know a thing about Canada, do you?
I had somebody on our Instagram say, isn't it always cold in Canada?
Yeah.
People really think that's what it is. Even Handmaid's Tale is depicting Canada.
It's like the dreariest place on... Well, Handmaid's Tale films here in March, so it is pretty
that's kind of
shite.
their fault.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to make a little pop of another color. I hope I don't ruin this.
You know, I was kind of ruined it in my mind with the
Oh, yeah?
thing.
With the thing?
Yeah, I might go... Okay, because I've been to the Everglades. That's that green. I love it. But my favorite place is... there's Maine here. What lighthouse is this?
Acadia.
Acadia Lighthouse.
Yeah. So I'm going to take Mammoth.
Why did I take
Cave.
that? Where am I going to put it? I don't have any
know.
lid space. No,
'Cause this is more
I made a mistake.
gold.
I'm not going to do it. I think I'm done.
Okay. You do have a thing where you just keep going while you're waiting for me.
Okay, I'm going to stick with the Denali one.
Okay, I like this. This just adds that extra oomph. I decided not to wet brush. I'm just using fingers. I think I'm just going to keep running the giant redwoods on the lower lash line to make it more red.
Okay, I'll do that. I'm going to spread out some more purple.
I'm trying to remind myself to always just do the lower lash line bigger than I think.
It's true.
Because I put the mascara on and then I can't see what I did.
Yeah, you're supposed to kind of squint and do it where your squint meets the other part of the skin. That made sense?
I get it like this. I can't wait for their Canada palette.
Yeah.
It's maybe coming next.
That would be this would be my collab of my dreams, Nomad.
Canada?
Yeah. If only we had more followers. And then, yeah, our collab company. Didn't you get excited thinking about things like that?
Yeah.
I get so happy when other creators are doing collabs.
Yeah.
I always buy them except for Raw Beauty Christie's.
Thing that you couldn't get.
I couldn't get it, and then I just got mad, so I didn't bother with the ColourPop. Like, I couldn't get her pure one, which I actually wanted more than the ColourPop one. Mm-hmm. But your friend has the ColourPop one.
Yeah, she does. It was like her first kind of palette she
Yeah,
bought.
when we started influencing our friends to buy makeup, she bought ColourPop stuff. Oh, I have a ColourPop order. I got the Hello Kitty and the neons. I thought the neons are cute. I think they're cute. I don't care what anyone says. They got trashed by a lot of people. I like things that other people don't seem to like. I like a little tiny palette for a change because I have so many big ones. So a little 5-panner, take it on the run. When I go, I'm going to book a vacation this year. I think I'm going to go to Cuba. And I was thinking I'm never going to wear makeup on a vacation. Am I right? Or
you're wrong.
Do you?
Yeah.
Because you go down to the disco?
Yeah.
Like, that's not me. I'm a day person. I'm a day drinker. Like, that's the best thing about vacations is you can day drink. I think.
I don't like day drinking.
I know.
I just did one last detail, which is Mammoth Cave right here. Day drinking makes me tired and it ruins my whole evening.
Well, then you go to sleep.
No, because then I don't actually sleep.
Oh. When you go on vacation, though, you have good sleeps. Because hotels have white noise.
Yeah.
And then, you've been out on the beach all day. The waves are so soothing.
It's true. I had a very good sleep on the Washington Beach, the La Push Beach from Twilight.
Is it in here?
No. But they have the whole rainforest, which is part of the same sort of national park area. Okay, you ready for mascara?
Yes.
Thinking I might do glam lashes.
Okay, and then we're going to do complexion, right?
Yeah, we'll finish it up with the rest of our complexion and our lips, and we'll give you our final thoughts on the palette. Yeah.
Okay. Look what I found in my drawer. I got the cheek leaders from Benefit. So it's got everything. It's a palette of facial things.
Yeah, I don't know if that I love a palette.
No, I don't. But I got to use it. I bought it before pandemic. And I was so excited to have it. I thought, whoa. And then I got so much more makeup that it's like ridiculous.
Wow.
But okay. Hula, there's a hula.
We're going in with the Vive Piazza, which is like a terracotta shade. By the way, now when I'm planning to do lashes, I always use my Ritual Defee Black Orb. I love this little thing.
I love it too. I have it too. And I often use it just on a daily, make a little wing.
Yeah.
A baby wing.
It's so nice. It's so much easier than a liquid liner. I can't get over it. Like, why is it I can do a wing so quickly with that, but a liquid liner, no. I had to take a liquid liner off the other day. It was so bad. It was one of those things where I kept going, this one, no, this side more, no, this side more.
Yeah.
You know? And then it never ends, and then your wings are like this.
The blush in here is so very pale. It's called Dandelion. Okay. I think it goes with my look today.
Like, people with pale complexions might be a little afraid of this shade, but I love sort of darker shades like this. It looks like you're sunburned in the best way, you know?
It's cute.
And I've been loving this Glodiant thing that came in with the BoxyCharm.
Well, we both got it in a BoxyCharm. I love it as well.
It's like a gradation of highlight, and I adore it.
I'm living for it as well.
It's so highlighty. Did you know Ofra's canceled?
What?
So we can't have one of their highlighters anymore.
Why?
Some dude, the main dude's like a Trump supporter, and he was doing some kind of racist symbol or something.
No, this must be a rumor. Why didn't I
there's
hear
a
it?
picture. It just happened like a few days ago. We need to learn more.
Damn it. Okay, I'm gonna do my lips.
I'm not sure what to do. Should I do a dark brown? Dark brown lip? No? Maybe.
I'm into the lip fluffers by Selena Gomez, Rare Beauty.
The lip souffle?
Yeah.
I'm into this Patrick Star one size translucent powder. I just got a little sample and it really like blurs. It really is a blurring. I never really understood that until now. Does
So,
this look okay? I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful.
Okay, these are the finished looks.
What do you think?
I think that shade that you have on your lid that is called Big Bend from the Boyhood reference, that's, I think, the standout shade here.
That's what I said. I think it's the star of the show. But the more I see it, the more I cannot wait to dive into this yellow thing.
Yeah, I don't think of doing yellows often, but I bet if you kind of layer these two, that'd be really fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it a lot. We were just talking off camera about the other palette, the Iceland palette. It's like, what if you had to choose?
I said, no, that's my Sophie's choice.
Yeah.
Not my babies. Not my babies.
You're attached
and
to
I'm going to
them.
have more babies, too.
Yeah. I really like the Iceland one. I think it's kind of what I would choose if I had to choose desert island situation because of all the blues. But I really love this. All the grungy copperiness and lots of shimmers. There's this whole row of shimmers.
Yeah.
Which we like.
We love a shimmer. Yeah. I like a matte, to lay down a base, but shimmers are my excitement. They're my cocktails.
Yeah, so such a cute palette from Nomad. We can't wait until the Canada one. Let us know in the comments down below your favorite U.S. national parks.
Yeah, let's hear where you've been on vacation, Americans.
Are you an East Coast bitch or a West Coast bitch?
Christ.
Anyway, I think that's it for today. What do we have planned coming up?
We've got more stuff in the mail. Bye-bye. We got the Michaela palette coming. The collab with a Glam Light.
That's it.
I got a bunch of things. I got the Color Pop, if anyone's interested in Hello Kitty. I have a Hello Kitty tattoo.
We won't show you.
No, it's so gross now. It's like so gross. So gross.
Well, that's it for today. We hope you have a great week and that you stay witchy and that you stay bitchy. And we'll see you next time. Bye, witches.